Good morning from AlphaCars. My name is Tom, coming to you from our Northampton location, and today we'll be taking a look at this 2016 Mercedes-Benz E350 wagon. Now this E350 is showing just over 79,000 original miles, and of course if you would like to see a high-resolution detailed photo set, please reference the listing at alphacars.com. There, of course, you will also find a free included Carfax report, alongside a long list of technical data related to the vehicle's remaining tire and brake life, as well as individual readings from each panel using our paint depth gauge. But today I'll take you on a quick condition overview around both the interior and the exterior of this beautiful wagon, as well as showing you some of its more notable features. Now we'll start here with just a general overview and checking out the exterior. Now this vehicle was a California-owned car, came straight here from the West Coast. It's in beautiful condition. It's got a clean Carfax report with lots of maintenance records. As you can see, it presents beautifully with this nice metallic gray finish. You can see in the light there, a bit of the metallic shining through, and the paint has a really nice glossy condition. The body looks great. So of course, as usual, I'll take you really close to the panel so as to look for any dings, dents, or irregularities in the way the light reflects, so as to note any major scratching. And as you can see, making your way down the driver's side, it presents very, very nicely. All of the satin chrome window surround trim presents very nicely, as does the chrome on the door handles. And accenting that color scheme perfectly are these gorgeous split 5-spoke AMG Sport Wheels. They are in absolutely perfect condition. Not a single mark to talk about on these wheels. They look great. And playing off that contrast so nicely, as you can see on the interior of the spokes and the barrel, you do have that metallic gray to match the paint, as well as that brushed chrome finish on the outer face, which matches the window surround just perfect. You can see Pilot Sport 4S Michelin tires here, wrapped around another gorgeous wheel, and the tires are in great shape. These are, of course, some of the best tires available for a vehicle in this segment. And having just driven this vehicle yesterday, I can attest it drives absolutely beautifully. It's one of the best driving E-classes that I've been in some time. Now taking a look here at the front fascia, looking at the headlight lenses, you'll find them crystal clear, no signs of oxidation, scratching, or discoloration. They do have some nice chrome accents in there to help with the styling up here at the front. This of course is a facelift model, so this is once they got the newer front end on the E-Class. You can see here in the center grille, beautiful silver and chrome accents surrounding the classic Mercedes star there. And looking just below you, we'll see a camera. You'll also find similar cameras underneath the mirrors and in the rear. So this vehicle does have the better camera system, which does option that 360 view camera that I'll show you once we're in the car. On the lower portion of the bumper, you do have that nice chrome splitter there. And you will notice some minor chipping on the chrome finish here on the very outer edge. It's relatively minor, doesn't overly affect the outward appearance, but of course we would like to disclose that. And now we'll make our way to the passenger side again. Another wheel here at the front, stunning condition as with all of the others. And again, we'll look at the quality of the reflection here. No dings, dents, or scratches to note as we make our way to the rear of the vehicle. One last wheel to take a look at here in the back. Again, similar condition to the rest. Looking at the rear of the vehicle, all of your chrome badging presenting perfect. As you can see, taillight lenses are crystal clear, great condition. And here on the lower portion of the bumper, you do have those beautiful chrome exhaust tips and that chrome trim connecting them, flanking a nice black plastic diffuser panel in great shape. Now I did neglect to mention, and I only remembered this now, there is a very tiny ding here on that body line. Very, very hard to notice, but we like to disclose anything that we find here at AlphaCars. So next up, we'll make our way to the interior, where you will find it absolutely beautifully optioned. This is not a spec I've ever seen before. This does feature some just off-white leather in stunning condition. You can see the outer bolster in great shape. And a very similar story on the passenger seat. Absolutely stunning condition. That white leather carries onto the door cards. As you can see, oops, need to give it a bit better close than that. As you can see, that white finish carries onto the door cards, and it has just enough white finish that it really does a great job at enhancing that contrast at the interior. If you see any flickering there, that's only due to the camera. Here to the human eye, it looks perfect. So let's fire it up using the keyless start just there on the right. As you can see, fires up without any hesitation. Infotainment fires right up. Now we'll take a quick tour of the interior. As you can see, when I put it in reverse, of course, I know you see some odd effect, but that's only due to the camera. I can see it better from here. So as you can see, I do have a full top-down view. If I move backwards, you can see the image reflects that, and that camera will remain open, but utilize the front camera, which is great for pulling up to tight curbs and other parking situations. Dashboard, perfect condition, no cracking or sun fade whatsoever. You do have some beautiful satin chrome trim surrounding the vents and that gorgeous analog clock with the white face. You do have some nice dark wooden trim complementing the doors and dashboard, as well as the center console. And all of your switch gear here in the interior is in absolutely perfect condition. You can see that reflected on the steering wheel as well, which is usually where we find the most wear. Same story here on the driver's door panel. Of course, fitted with the Harman Kardon sound system. The sound system in here sounds absolutely incredible. Certainly enhances the driving experience. Looking here in the center console, of course, more of that gorgeous wooden trim in great condition with only one minor scuff there. Obviously, your infotainment controls. And if I slide this panel back, you will find an ashtray, a power outlet, as well as a couple of cup holders, and that frame can be removed to just make that a bit of center console storage. Of course, here inside the armrest, you do have some media inputs as well as a bit more storage. And just above my head, a beautiful panoramic sunroof, easily controlled with a switch just here behind the mirror. You can see one for your second row of occupants as well. And it both opens and closes exactly as it should. Smooth, quiet, and no bunching in the fabric. It all looks great. So next up, I'll make my way underneath the hood where we can take a look at the beautiful powertrain in the E350. All right, so as you can see up here underneath the hood, incredibly clean. All of the plastics here on the engine and around it look just fantastic. You can hear it idling very happily. I'll let you hear it uninterrupted for a moment. Again, all of your hardware around the fenders and the headlights, all of that looks to be in perfect condition and never being removed. I don't see any tick marks on the edge of those bolts showing that they may have been removed in the past. All of your suspension hardware looks great. All of your more intricate connections around your braking system all presents beautifully. This engine actually has a lot more power than I would have expected. I drove this vehicle yesterday and it has more than enough power for any general overtaking. It's a very, very smooth delivery, and when paired with the transmission here in the E-Class, it drives absolutely beautifully. So I'll make our way into the second row of seating. You can see that same beautiful white leather is fitted here in the back. Now I did deploy the rear sunshades so you can see how you can really darken the rear row of seating here. Very, very nice, and there's no issues with the fabric in these. They don't bunch up as you deploy them or lower them. As you can see, they drop right into place and can be easily hooked back up in just a second. So I have left the driver's seat where I comfortably drive the vehicle at about 6'4". And sitting behind myself, you can see I have ample legroom and tons of headroom to go with it. Here you can see a nice view of the front of the cabin. Very, very nice condition here. You'll also notice a small bit of wear here in the back, just one of the slats missing from those vents, but otherwise very nice condition. And as I mentioned before, that beautiful panoramic sunroof just above my head. Of course, I do have a drop-down armrest here with some cup holders and storage. Or pardon me, I believe this model only has storage. Nope, as you can see there, flip-out cup holders in nice condition, and they work perfectly if you know how to use them, which apparently I can struggle with, but they do work very nicely. And here I do have some drop-out power outlets for your second row of occupants. But next up, let's take a look at the rear of the vehicle because there's a lot more to show you back there than you might think. So as you can see here in the cargo area in the E350, you do have a third row of seating. This is kind of traditional for the E-Class wagons. And as you can see, a nice footwell with some carpeting there and the same white leather, showing minor wear there on the lower portion. But very, very nice seating here in the back with seat belts and everything to go with it. And now I'm going to put these seats down and you can see truly how spacious the cargo area of the E-Class is. Alright, so as you can see, I put those seats away. They stow nicely into the floor of the cargo area, so you wouldn't even notice that they're there otherwise. And you can see very, very spacious. The carpeting is very clean here in the back. Nice low loading floor and a tall area for cargo. And you also have this deployable shade here to keep your cargo away from any prying eyes. You will not be able to see any of your cargo through the windows. This is easily removed using the switch just there. And now very quickly, let me drop down the second row of seating finally so you can see the true potential of storage here in the back. All right, so with the second row of seating dropped down, you can see just how deep you can fit cargo into the E350. Very nice cargo area. You can see you do have all of the original floor mats in perfect condition as well. And a very, very practical, sporty, luxurious driving experience available here in the E350 wagon. So if you have any further questions related to this E350, please reference the listing at alphacars.com, and there, of course, you will find all of the relevant contact information. Thank you so much for your time, and have a wonderful rest of your day. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you from AlphaCars.